Hey traders, Marcello here, founder of the Day Trading Academy. Today we're going to be talking about trading on a Mac. Super good question. So there's a short answer is yes, Gabriel. If you just want to turn off the video and go to the next one.
Can I use my MacBook for trading?
Essentially, the question is to be able to use a MacBook or an Apple for trading, and there's a little bit of a technicality here, okay? Because it depends on what market you're going to choose, and also the time frame, I would say, doesn't really matter as much. But how do I explain this to you? The majority of people who trade stocks or Forex, I would say, are probably more longer term traders, meaning they hold positions for much longer than in markets like futures. The majority of people who are going to learn how to trade futures, which is what we primarily teach, because in my humble opinion is better for beginners, we normally trade much shorter time frames, especially in the beginning when you're going to learn. I just did a video on why we do it that way if you guys want to look for it. And by the way, don't forget to leave all the questions with hashtag AskMarcello. I'm going to start doing a lot more of these, and I'll be happy to go ahead and answer all your questions. Just leave it with the hashtag AskMarcello for me, and don't forget to subscribe as well. So the aspect of trading with an Apple or a MacBook, Gabriel, really depends on the platform that you're using. The majority of times in futures, the platforms used to not support Apple. So what you would have to do, or even in some of the most popular, let's say, platforms for futures, you have to install Bootcamp or Parallels in your Apple computer to be able to get Windows. I know you guys don't want to do that, but if you guys install that, then you can install the programs to be able to trade. Now, there are other programs that have to do with trading Forex or trading stocks that do install on a Mac. One of the things that we are actually working on, Gabriel, I mentioned this in the last video, is that we're going to be developing our own platform, so you literally don't have to install anything, because it's like a program you have to install a lot of times. So now there's a lot of platforms that are even web-based, so you don't have to install anything, and that's what we're going to be able to develop in the platform that we're going to have, which is going to be connected with the funding part, because you guys know, I'm going to start talking about this a lot more, because this is something that we're launching that you guys can apply to trade one of our accounts. We're going to literally give you guys money to trade with. And so the idea is to make it as simple as possible, where you don't have to pay for a platform anymore. You literally can just use ours for free and go through the test to be able to use one of the accounts that we're going to fund you guys with. So short answer, I can't really say a lot more on the subject. At the end of the day, short answer is yes, you can, but it depends on the platform. So just verify that. The most popular platform that people have used in the futures market has not supported Mac, and you've had to install Windows, which means Parallels or Bootcamp. But now there's a lot more that are web-based, and there's other brokers as well that you guys can use that are based on Mac. So look out for the platform, Gabriel. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and see you next time.